We're making it up. Look at that. You know what's about to happen. Oh God, wait, this is actually so much more than I thought. Welcome to my Puerto Rico vlog. Our journey begins tonight, very late at night, arriving here, first day. We're gonna get into our hotel, get a good night's sleep, and then we'll start our fun adventure tomorrow. All right, it's the next morning. Here's the view. Right behind me, got the nice pool.
Well, we're matching later.
We're at dinner. We're in the car, we're heading to the Rainforest. What games we playing on the we got like mobile games, look. What games we playing?
I played ski.
Ski?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is my favorite
Skiing,
music.
cool.
Skiing music.
Oh yeah. Well, there may have been a little mishap and a incident happened. The car is holding on. Yeah, so apparently something fell out of a truck in front of us and we ran over a ball or something that was whack and ruined the whole bottom of our car, and we had to wait in this whole area for a super long time. I did some stretching, but eventually we were ready to go on our adventure and do the fun part of the vlog. Alright, finally after long enough wait, we're entering a water slide that's in a part of a rainforest or something, so let's have fun with that.
Look at me, not falling. Oh my gosh, I may have to stop filming.
Look at these. Whoa! What? This is epic. I think that was gonna happen. Yo, this is cool. What even? Where are we? What? I don't think these bricks really do a good service of steps, do they? Whoa.
I just did it!
Alright, do some waving.
Whoa! What do you think? Frank is going down. He doesn't fall down before getting up there. Go, Frank.
We witnessed the first attempt, or wait, second attempt actually, from our family. Everyone's filming. I'm gonna head over there. I got my GoPro. I'm gonna do my shot at it. We'll see how. Look at this. Isn't that just kind of cool? Like, it's an actual like rainforest vibe. It's actually so neat. We're making it up. I feel like I'm Tarzan almost. gonna be cold, not gonna lie. This is fat. Wait, this is a lot more than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh, that's cold. Oh, I gotta move. You can't even see the ground. It's so slippery. Whoa, 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 that'll hurt. These weird rocks, aren't they crazy? Apparently there's a second waterfall. We're heading over to it. I'm gonna go down it. What? No, maybe water slide, water, whatever. All right, what do we got going on here? I see the viewing party just chilling here.
We just jumped a bunch of cliffs and now we're just resting.
Look at this. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. There's another water slide. Look at them down there. Let's join the fun. Woo! Let's go! Looks like 4 feet deep about. There's some fish. All right. All right, we're starting right here, it looks like. I'm gonna try to do the... Did he jump off the rope thing? I mean, I know how deep it is. Right here is like pretty deep. So I think we're gonna do it right here.
Will the branches hold?
All right.
I wouldn't try to swing far out. Yeah, I wouldn't swing back. I wouldn't go back, just...
I would just, yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah, maybe, I'm just gonna go forward and then drop right there.
You can do it!
I don't know how I'm gonna deal with it.
He's the cutest little puppy dog.
We're arriving at the bottom. I didn't know we could go down here, but you can. Pretty cool, pretty cool. They got tunnels. Wow. Wouldn't these lights be so cool to use in my videos? That would be nice, maybe. All right, we're done. Epic time here. Let's leave. Oh yeah. And now we're off to new adventures. Let's go down the elevator and get started, baby. Oh, look at that. So on our very last day at Puerto Rico, we decided to go revisit San Juan, where the castle was that we saw last night. We thought it was really cool, but we didn't get to fully see it lit up. So we went today, spent time downtown and enjoyed the view. Fun fact, this specific video clip that you're seeing right now is actually the shifty kind of place, so we weren't really allowed down there, but I thought it was pretty cool to add in the video. got off the shuttle, finally heading back to our car. Shout out to Nick Green and the boys playing basketball with me and Matthew that one day. If any of you guys see me and while I'm out, ask me and I'll vlog you guys next time. Other than that, subscribe.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Watch.
Go follow my YouTube channel at Cosplay Central.
She might do a Puerto
Link
Rico
in
vlog too.
description.
So
no, I'm going to.
Okay,
There is no what if.
we'll put it in the
Anyway.
vlog in the description. We'll
Love
see
you guys so
later.
much. Thank you guys for watching Jordan Kelly Vlogs and tune in to next time. Bye.